Do this once a visitor leaves your house to avoid being in bondage, spiritual bondage, or to avoid being caged spiritually. What you're going to do is to get black pepper. I'm going to drop the picture on the screen. Get sea salt. This time around, you're going to get sea salt. You're going to get lime. You're going to get 7 lime, 21 pieces of black pepper, and a handful of sea salt. Get the sea salt, put it in a bucket of water. Get the lime, squeeze out the water. Then get the black pepper, grind it or blend it, add it inside that water. Sprinkle it around your home, around all the rooms. Then that particular spot that visitor stayed, all the places the visitors went before, maybe you went to your sitting room, the person slept in your visitor's room, you went to your kitchen, just places you went, concentrate on that place and sprinkle this thing, pour enough of it. The toilet he used or she used, add this water to it and flush it. Read Psalm 35, Psalm 23, Psalm 109 inside that bucket of water 7 times each before you start doing this assignment. As you do it, tell God that you can never do good and it will turn to evil, that you shall never lack anything by the presence of this person. You don't know his life or her life spiritually, or whatever he or she has deposited there spiritually, may he return back to the person 1,000,000 fools. That you welcome this person to your heart because he was stranded or he wanted to come and visit you and your family, as claimed to be a family member or a family or a friend. But if he or she had any other thing in mind to come and destroy your spiritual life, to come and cage you spiritually, may it never work for the person. After reading your prayers and saying this, reading your psalms, I'm saying this prayer. Make sure you do this assignment for 3 times, 3 good days. We can do it in the morning or in the evening. Make sure you do it 3 good days by the special grace of God. If the person have come to bring a demon into your home, that demon will be restless. The demon cannot stay here. That place will be too hot for the demon to stay. Salt is very powerful to neutralize spell. Likewise, water is very, very powerful to wash away demons, to wash away evil that the enemies have deposited. Lime, on the other hand, is very, very powerful for to destroy any kind of witches, any kind of demonic altar they have come to deposit in your home. And if you notice that each time the person comes, you experience negative energy, stop bringing that person to your house, no matter who the person is. Yes. Especially married people, there are some family members that will come, you will start having issues in your home. That is why it's good to pray to have a partner that has the same level of reasoning with you. Yes, most of these demons, they know what they are doing. They know what they have come to do, especially people who doesn't want your happiness. Some of them can be your friends. Some of them will pretend to be homeless just for them to come and destroy your home. Sometimes you see people, hearing cases of people snatching their husband, their girlfriend's husband, because you have welcomed them in your home. They have known the terrain of your home. They have known everything about your home. Some of them even allow them into your bedroom to come and be gisting with you in your bedroom. Be wise. Some in-laws that are wise can never enter your bedroom to gist with you. No. You have to adjust yourself. Your bedroom is just like a sanctuary. That is why we have so many breakups today. We have so many divorces today. Anybody that wants to destroy your marriage, once the person drop that in your bedroom, anytime you enter there with your husband or your wife, you start having issues. Some men bring their boyfriend, their friends, the place they will come and gist is their bedroom where he sleeps with the wife. Tell me, why would you bring demons to your home? Sometimes when your people from your own family come, you bring them there and be gisting with them. Your wife will not be a visitor in your home. So many people do it. Most of you are watching me. The same thing applicable to the women. You bring your girlfriends, you want to show them how beautiful your bedroom is. Be wise. It's not everything you let people do. It's not everything you give people freedom to do. Most of you, when your husband is not around, you bring in your friends to your home. Be wise. a lot of breakup. While I'm making this video, I did a consultation for a woman. I told her it's a friend that she brought into her home that destroyed her home. She accepted that the woman lived with her for 4 years. What will your friend be doing in your house for 4 years? If you have money, give her to go and rent the house. Let her carry her demon and go. Now she has destroyed your home. She's fighting to take over your marriage. So when it came to this case, another thing is, some in-laws, as you're here watching me, you are an in-law to somebody, please stop entering their bedroom. It is not good. A bedroom is a kind of sanctuary for couples. That is one thing you don't know. If you go for marriage counseling, they will tell you that. And wise people don't bring in any kind of people to their bedroom. And most marriages that have broken up today, that are at the verge of divorce, at the verge of separation, watch their story. You will notice that they have been bringing in people from time to time to their home. So sometimes you see them sleeping, bringing those people to gist or communicate in their bedroom. Don't do that. If you've been doing it, pray and cleanse your home. As you're watching this video, get these items and start cleansing your home, even if it's once in a week, whether you receive any visitor or not. The ones you received in the past that have brought in things that are destroying your home, that have brought in things that have caused confusion in your home, all those spells will cease to work. Just get these items I mentioned: sea salt, black pepper, and lime. Pray with the psalms I mentioned, Psalm 35, 23, and 109, inside that bucket of water. Use it to mop, sprinkle all over the place, all over your house. By the special grace of God, these things will stop. Some visitors can even be the house help living with you. They can be that demon that is causing trouble in your home. Yes. If you bring in a house help who is demonic, who belongs to an altar, who the devil is using to destroy homes, once that demon enters your house as a kind of house help, there is one peculiar thing about them: they are always hardworking. So you won't see the negative part of them because they are hardworking. They are doing things, the way they are doing things in your house, making you happy. Once you get that kind of house help, be careful. The devil can work with them to destroy you. You will never see the negative part. Even when you want to send them home, maybe they have done some certain things. When you want to send them home, you will be wondering how you are going to cope. If you send this girl home, or if you send this boy home, who is going to do this for me? Who is going to do that for me? For that reason, the person will remain in your house and be causing a lot of commotion, lot of confusion, lot of problems in your home. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in my next one.